When Allah loves you, He gives you an opportunities to go through sabr. Sabr is patience. He wants you to be a patience. He loves you. He recompenses those who are patient immeasurably. That what He does. He gives you reward immeasurably because you bore patience over what He has chosen for you. If you don't respect your mother, you are not connected with Allah in the proper way. The reason is Allah created you and choose your mother for you. You need to give her and offer her kindness and respect. Man ahaqqun nasi bihusni sahabat. We mentioned this hadith so many times, where the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Who is from among all the people most deserving of my good companionship, my kindness?" And so he said, "Your mother, your mother." You know the hadith, right? And then the fourth time he said, "And your father." Wallahi, only Allah knows. Only Allah knows. You can make the plan. Allah can let the plan go ahead. But you can plan. Allah can change the plan. You can think. Allah knows. And He is the only one who knows what will happen tomorrow. So develop your relation with Allah. Plan good things. When you plan to do your salah, Allah will reward you with the intention. Innamal a'malu bin niyat. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun.